Good day, everyone. We are Group 3, and we are here to present our proposed project entitled Clean and Green Barangay Initiative for Barangay Longos, Malabon City. This project focuses on promoting proper waste management practices in the community to help reduce environmental problems such as pollution and flooding. Through this initiative, we aim to encourage residents to take part in maintaining a clean and healthy environment. This project is proposed by Group 3, composed of the following members: Julie Ann De Lotavo, Rachel Ann Bernadette Peralta, Charmaine Rodriguez, Glenn Kathleen Pamatian, Sistine Sanggalang, Jairil Maria Faustina Jimenez, and Justine Reyes. Each member has contributed in planning, organizing, and developing this project proposal to ensure that it is relevant and beneficial to the chosen community. Our chosen community is Barangay Longos, located in Malabon City, which is part of Metro Manila. It is a densely populated urban area with an estimated population of around 20,000 to 30,000 residents. Barangay Longos is both a residential and commercial area, with establishments such as public markets, malls, schools, and a university. Because of its active environment and large population, a significant amount of waste is generated daily, making waste management an important concern in the community. Barangay Longos is currently experiencing challenges related to the waste management. Due to the high volume of waste produced by households and businesses, improper waste disposal has become a common issue. Some residents do not consistently practice proper waste segregation, which leads to garbage being mixed and disposed of incorrectly. As a result, drainage systems become clogged, especially during heavy rains, causing flooding in the area. In addition, improper waste management can lead to health risks such as the spread of disease, unpleasant odors, and the presence of pests. Because of this problem, there is a strong need to raise awareness and promote proper waste management practices. Our project, or this project, aims to address these issues by educating residents and encouraging them to actively participate in keeping their community clean and safe.
For the background and rationale, Barangay Longos in Malabon City is facing a problem in waste management. One of the main concerns is the high amount of garbage produced every day in the community. Because of this, waste builds up quickly and sometimes is not collected on time. Another issue is the improper disposal of waste. Some residents do not properly segregate or throw their garbage in the correct places, which makes the situation worse. This can lead to flooding during heavy rains. As garbage blocks canals and drainage systems, it also creates health risks such as the spread of diseases and the presence of pests. Because of this, there is a strong need for awareness and active participation from the community. By working together and practicing proper waste management, Barangay Longos can become cleaner, safer, and more sustainable.
In this slide, I would like to discuss with you guys our objective for today for this project proposal. Here are the following list of our objectives for this proposal. First is improving and promoting proper waste segregation practices in order to improve environmental cleanliness, public health, and community responsibility. Next is increase awareness on environmental cleanliness to educate the community and residents about the importance of proper waste segregation, recycling, and disposal, and also to reduce improper waste disposal in the community to minimize the amount of waste sent to landfills through recycling, composting, and reuse, and to also reduce health risks associated with improper waste disposal such as pests, foul odors, or disease spread. And lastly, to encourage active participation to be involved residents in cleanup drives, environmental programs, and barangay-led initiatives, and to also develop a sense of accountability among residents for maintaining cleanliness in their surroundings. Our target beneficiaries is designed to benefit in the following group. The first group will be residents of Barangay Longos. All individuals living in the community will benefit from increased awareness and improved waste management practices, leading to a cleaner and healthier environment. Next is families and households will gain knowledge on proper waste segregation, recycling, and composting, helping them manage household waste more effectively and responsibly. Next are local vendors and people who own small businesses. They should be guided on proper waste disposal and reduction practices, contributing to a cleaner business environment and compliance on local regulation. And lastly, our students and youth sector. Young people will be educated on environmental responsibility and sustainable practices, empowering them to become active participants and advocate of proper waste management in the community.
Next is the project management. Project management is the leader will supervise the overall implementation, while the assistant leader will handle coordination and documentation. The member will facilitate the activities and the barangay official will provide support to ensure the success of the project. In our project management, the leader will supervise the overall implementation to ensure that everything runs smoothly. The assistant leader handles the coordination and documentation to making all information is organized and shared properly. The member facilitates the activity by completing their assigned tasks and activity participating. Meanwhile, the barangay officials provide the support such as resources, guidance to help ensure the success of the project. For communication, the team share updates, the regularity to stay informed. For monitoring, the leader and assistant leader track progress and output. When problem arise, the team works together to find the solution, and we remain flexible to adjust plans we needed. The project management have communication and monitoring, problem solving, and flexibility. Communication is how the team share information. Everyone gives update, asks questions, and make sure instructions are clear to avoid the misunderstanding. While the monitoring is checking the progress of the project, the leader and assistant leader make sure tasks are done on the time and goals are being met. Next is the problem solving. Problem solving is how the team handle challenges when issue happen. The team work together to find solution quickly. Next is the flexibility, means being able to adjust plan when needed. The team stay open to change to keep the project successful. For the project outline, the project management has three: materials, monitoring, and evaluation. For the materials needed included the trash bag, gloves, flyers, and sound system, while the monitoring is attendance and participation. So we will check the attendance and participation of all members to ensure the active involvement. For evaluation, we have feedback and results. So we will gather the feedback and review to the result of the project to see if our object were achieved.
This slide shows the project execution, or how we will actually carry out our waste management project in Barangay Longos. First, we will coordinate with barangay officials to get permission and support. Next, we will prepare all the materials and logistics needed, like flyers and cleaning tools. After that, we will conduct a waste management seminar to educate residents about proper waste segregation and environmental awareness. Then, we will organize a cleanup drive to encourage community participation and apply what was learned. Lastly, we will monitor the participation of residents and evaluate the results of the project to see if our goals were achieved. Overall, this step-by-step plan helps ensure that our project is organized, effective, and successful.
Now, let's move on to the project requirements of our waste management awareness in Barangay Longos, Malabon City. To successfully implement this project, several materials, resources, and financial support are needed. These requirements are essential to ensure that all activities are properly organized and carried out smoothly. The project requirements has a total of 6,000 pesos. This budget will cover the necessary materials and expenses for the awareness and campaign and community activities throughout the community engagement. The breakdown of expenses includes printed cost of 1,000 pesos for flyers, posters, and educational materials that will help spread awareness about proper waste management. Sound system rental worth of 1,500 to ensure that seminars, announcements, and discussion are clearly heard by participants during the activity. Cleaning materials worth of 1,000 pesos, including trash bags, gloves, and other tools needed during the community cleanup trip. Snack budget worth of 2,000 pesos to provide refreshments for volunteers, participants, and barangay residents who will participate in the program. Lastly, 500 pesos for miscellaneous expenses to cover unexpected costs that may rise during project implementation. These project requirements are important because they provide the necessary support to carry out seminars, cleanup activities, and community engagement effectively. With proper planning and sufficient resources, the project can achieve its goal in promoting waste management awareness and encouraging active participation among residents. Let's move on to the issues. Despite the positive goal of this project, there are also several challenges or issues that may affect its success. One of the main issues that is low participation of residents. Some community members may not actively join the seminars, cleanup drive, or awareness program due to lack of interest, busy schedules, and limited understanding of the importance of waste management. Other issue is that some families do not practice proper waste management. Improper waste segregation and disposal habits can make it difficult to maintain cleanliness within the barangay. This highlights the need for continuous education and awareness campaigns. The project may also face time constraints since the activities are scheduled within limited period. Proper coordination and time management are necessary to complete all planned tasks successfully. In addition, irregular garbage collection can become a challenge. When waste is not collected in time, garbage may pile up, creating unpleasant surroundings and increasing health risks in the community. To address this issue, the project team plans to strengthen community and barangay officials, encouraging community participation and promote consistent waste management practices. This teamwork cooperates these challenges that can be merged effectively. Overall, identifying this issue helps the project team prepare better solutions and improve the implementation of the program.
With that said, our project Clean Today, Green Tomorrow Waste Management Awareness in Barangay Longos shows that even simple actions can make a big difference when we work together. By practicing proper waste segregation and being more aware of our surroundings, we can help reduce flooding and health risks in our community. Even if there are challenges like low participation or lack of time, this can be improved if we stay consistent and support each other. This project reminds us that change starts at home and within ourselves. If we all do our part, we can create a cleaner, greener, and healthier Barangay Longos. Because the future depends on what we do today.